Hi, welcome to the video 9 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn some of the basic editing tools which I use personally and even you also must use and going to be used while editing a video in Premiere Pro. I actually opened an existing project file. I already showed you how to create a new project file, how to import the footage, how to create different layers in the timeline, how to edit the sequence settings, everything. I highly suggest you that you go through the complete playlist on Premiere Pro course. So you already know this is called the timeline panel. Side to that, we have this section. It is called toolbar. As you can see, there are some options. If you move the cursor without clicking anything, you can see a pop-up that shows what exactly that tool is. This is called the selection tool. The shortcut for this is V. Even if you want, you can edit it by going to the keyboard shortcuts. I'll tell that as well in the coming videos. Next is track selection forward tool. And one more thing guys, what I suggest you that is first record a video on your mobile phone and create a new project file, import that files into the timeline. Now you select these tools in this section and directly apply to your clip. Then only you will understand much better. I basically use very few tools here. So this is called select forward tool. If you press the left button here, you will see some more options. Next is called ripple edit tool. I basically use the shortcut keys for all these, so that's why I'm not at all using like moving mouse here and selecting this option and doing a cut here. Nah, that takes a lot of time. Next is razor tool. Basically, you know what razor does, it cuts, right? Same for the clips as well, it cuts the clip. Next is slip tool. Next is pen tool. This is also very important tool. Next is the shape tool. If you press and hold the left key on the external mouse, you will see the rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool. Next is hand tool. Next is text, and finally this is called generative extend, which is recently added in the Premiere Pro, where it extends the clip with the help of AI. Now I'm going to share with you what are the main tools that I use in my everyday workflow. Of course, the first thing is selection tool. I choose V for shortcut. Next is razor tool. I given the shortcut key as C. C is for cut, like that I remember, so I can enable it by pressing the C on the keyboard and cut the clips however I like. This I don't use. Next is pen tool. Of course, for masking and everything I use the pen tool, and this also I use a lot. I use only two shapes most of the time. One is rectangle, another one is ellipse tool. If I want to overlay, like as you can see right now, I'm showing you the laptop screen as well as my face. Here I'm overlaying my A roll with the B roll, I mean the screen recorded one. Next is hand tool. I don't use at all. I just simply move with the help of this slider. Next is text tool. Of course, I use it a lot. The shortcut key for this I made it is Control plus T. Control T. If you press both at a time, a new text layer is created. So these are the tools I use. Here I want to give a tip. The thing is, learn the keyboard shortcuts. It saves your hours and hours of time. I'm going to show you in the coming videos what are the shortcut keys I use and how it turned me from 1x to 10x faster. So that's the overall tools bar and the tools I use in the Premiere Pro every time guys. Before ending this video, if you want one-on-one mentorship and coaching on how to run a successful YouTube channel, including strategies I have personally used, fill out the Google form in the description box. I'd love to work with you and help you grow faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next one.